Hello everyone, welcome to Yourpedia Education. I am Ravikant Sharma, mentor of Electrical Engineering. As you know, BHEL issued notification for the recruitment of engineers training. For this purpose, today we will analyze the previous year paper which is conducted by BHEL in 2019 and 2023. Total number of questions asked in this exam is 240, in which 120 question comes from technical portion and 120 question comes from non-technical portion. From technical portion, number of subject included is machine, power system, network, control system, analog, power electronics, measurement, signal system, EMFT, digital, computer, microprocessor and material. The number of questions asked from the different subject in this exam is: from the machine, 28 question comes in 2019 and in 2023 17. From power system, 21 question asked in 2019 and 14 in 2023. From network, 14 question comes in 2019 and 17 question comes in 2023. From control system, 13 question comes in 2019 and 12 question in 2023. From analog, 12 question comes in 2019 and 11 question comes in 2023. From power electronics subject, 8 question asked in 2019 and 9 question asked in 2023. From measurement subject, 12 question comes in 2019, but there is no question comes from this subject in 2023. From signal system, in 2019 1 question asked and in 2023 10 question. From EMFT subject, there is no question comes in 2019, but in 2023 14 question comes from this subject. From digital electronics, 9 question asked in 2019 and 3 question in 2023. From computer, there is no question asked in 2019, but 6 question asked in 2023. From material subject, 2 question asked in 2019 and also 2 question asked in 2023. From microprocessor, there is no question comes in 2019, but 5 question asked in 2023. By analyzing all this, we found that the main subject for this exam is machine, power system, network, control, analog, power electronics. This is the main subject for this exam, because in both paper we found that in number of question asked from this subject, but other subject is also asked, but number of question may be vary, but in machine, power system, network, control system and analog, variation of number of question is not much, all about up. आप कह सकते हैं कि number of question in both paper is approximately same. Also we found by analyzing this paper, from computer, material and microprocessor, total question asked in this paper is only theoretical. That means 100% question comes in this subject is theoretical. From network subject, total question asked in which 80% is numerical and 20% theoretical. rest of the subject 40% numerical, 40% numerical and 60% theoretical. 60% theoretical. For solving the numerical problem, there is not much complicated, simple formula putting getting a result question asked in this exam. So paper is not too much difficult, paper is so simple. If you have clear all the concept in this subject, then you will solve this paper easily. In this exam, total number of 4 sections. In first section technical, second section reasoning, third section general knowledge, fourth section general English. And in reasoning 50 question comes from general knowledge 20 and English 50. That means if we analyze this paper, we found BHEL engineers training paper contain 240 question, in which 120 question comes from technical portion and 120 question comes from non-technical portion. Each question awarded 1 mark for correct answer, and for incorrect answer, that means negative marking is 1/4. Negative marking is 1/4. And approximately, if we talk about technical portion, in average 50% comes from numerical portion and 50% comes from theoretical portion. 50% numerical and 50% theoretical. So if you preparing for this exam, this is a very important exam for you, because the level of exam is too much easy. If you are covering all the syllabus in proper manner, then you will easily crack this exam. So if you are preparing for this exam, then this is the good opportunity for you to prepare this exam and crack. If you have any doubt or question, ask, then you will comment in comment box to ask any question. Thank you.